Hello viewers, welcome to our cookery show on indiainteracts.com. Today I'm going to make chicken fry and the ingredients are chicken, onions, green chilies, turmeric, ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt, bay leaf, cardamom, cinnamon and cloves, pepper powder, garam masala powder, cashew and curry leaves. First we'll be grinding these onions and the chilies together into a coarse paste. We have to mix the chicken with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is as per taste, so you can just add as much salt as you require, and 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. See, you can see the consistency of the paste. It's not too smooth or too coarse. Mix this with the chicken. Now I have mixed the masala well with the chicken. Now we'll have to start frying the chicken. We'll take a big vessel. I've used about 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add about 2 bay leaves, 2-inch cinnamon, 3 cardamom and 6 cloves. Once the whole spices are fried, we'll add the chicken pieces along with the masala. Toss it well. You need to cook the chicken until it's done. This will take some time. I've used about 10 small onions. You need to chop them before we grind them to paste. For 1 kilo chicken, we'll be requiring 10 small onions chopped. Now you can see the chicken is almost done. When it's 3/4 cooked, this process of cooking the chicken in the onion paste will take about 30 minutes. You need to always toss and turn so the bottom doesn't get burned. When it's 3/4 cooked, we'll add some half a teaspoon of pepper and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. After you add the pepper and garam masala, keep tossing the chicken constantly. Don't let it overcook because you're going to fry it until it turns dark brown, almost black in color. So you can see the masala keeps getting stuck at the bottom. Don't let it be that way. Keep scraping the masala constantly. You have to constantly keep scraping the bottom of the bowl. Now you can see it's nice and brown, fried well. Scrape all the masala that is stuck to the kadai. Then what we have to do is we need to fry the cashew. I've used about 12 cashews. I've removed the excess oil from the chicken fry, and I've used the same oil to fry the cashew. Fry the curry leaves. Transfer this into the chicken. I've used about 1 cup of curry leaves, and I've used 1.5 teaspoon of oil to fry the cashews and curry leaves. Nicely mix. Stir it for about 2 to 3 minutes before you bring it down from the flame. Now our chicken fry is done, ready to eat. Now our chicken fry is ready. Please serve it hot. It goes well with rice or roti.